Hello again. In this lesson, I want to show you how you can find a Google Ads coupon to apply to your new Google Ads account. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that this will work, but if you have just opened a Google account right now or within the past, say, 3 or 4 weeks, then this is a process that may get you a coupon on Google Ads. So what you have to do is you have to go to the Facebook Google Ads page. This is the URL, and I'll show you what to do next. This is the official Facebook Google Ads page. So this is the URL that I showed you earlier. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the word ads. So make sure that it's facebook.com/Google Ads/ads. And this is a trick, and it's going to reveal to us all the Facebook ad campaigns that Google is running at this moment. As you can see, active ads from Google Ads. And this advertisement here, this is an ad to get a free coupon. All of these ones are. And the thing is that depending on your location, this will give you location-specific Google Ad coupons. So if we click on it, if we click on the ad, now this page is in a foreign language, but basically what you have to do is you just type in your email address, agree to the terms, let the computer know that you are human, and then click OK, and a coupon code will be sent to your email address. And then the next thing that I will show you is where you will add the coupon code. So let's go to Google. In the Google Ads panel, go to the top right hand side and click on Tools. Then go on Billing and Payments. From here, click on Settings. And when you scroll down, you'll see a section here, Promotional Codes. So just click Manage Promotional Codes and add your promotional code here and then click Apply. This process, it's a safe process for checking if Google has any coupons, because everybody is using Facebook ads, and using this URL that I gave you earlier, you can check if Facebook has any current Google Ads coupons promotions running. So this is a legitimate way. But a lot of the times it applies to new accounts or accounts that were opened, say, within 3 weeks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you get a free coupon.